Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do another free code camp tutorial on CSS about setting the IDs. So IDs are similar to classes, as in we can use it to identify, like this is a class, identify what tag or what element we're identifying in the HTML. But the difference is that ID is more specific. And the main point of ID is that if the ID property will override the class property, and the ID should be more unique. Where class, you want to generally want to change multiple elements. ID, you just want to change that one element. And it's more useful like when we start coding in JavaScript to identify the ID with it. So, and here's the example of it. You just put the ID equals to whatever you want to call it. So for this example, we want to give your form element the ID cat photo form. So we just copy this. And also notice the syntax of like they like using dashes to using IDs as well. So we just go here after form, we do class equals quotes, and that's it. The form element. So this is the form element. Sorry, it should have an ID. And there you go. Thank you.